Jerry.
What?
You hear that?
I heard my bell go off. Orion.
Orion.
Take
off the bell, take off the bell, Jerry, take off the bell.
One buckler.
Take off the bell, Jerry.
Second run for the night, people. Jamaican shore fishing, guys.
You have him?
You have him, yes?
I feel like yes. I feel like I stuck him.
Jamaican shore fishing, second run for the night, guys. Running hot, guys. Yeah. $6,000. Oh, he popped off. No. You must swim to me. Fuck off, swim right for me. See him there. Somebody get the gaff.
Get the gaff.
Anthony, get the gaff. See him there.
Where?
See him right there, so. Come on, Anthony. Gaff him blood feet, Anthony. He's right below my leader. See my leader there. Right in front of me.
A stingray.
A stingray?
Yeah.
Watch him. Big.
Stingray.
Big.
Yeah, stingray.
Oh, damn. I don't want to lose my rig. Watching tail, you know.
Careful. So heavy.
Hey? What happened to him?
Woo.
A skill man is blood split here. Alright, watch in tail. Step on in tail. Step on it. Watch in tail then.
I'm a roll.
I'm good.
You want to release him?
Yeah. Let him go. Send him back. He's heating up! He's on fire! Love him, man, him good. Him good. I'm good, Michi. I say, yo, Anthony, him give me a good fight, I come in still now.
Well, to action that here.
Woo! Judge your God. Anthony, I shall make you care about the fish can be and come back, you know. Shara, you posted the fish in the group?
No, I'm live actually
Oh shit! In the
Yeah.
group?
on Instagram.
Oh. He's heating up. Come on. Jamaican shore fishing, guys. Woo. What a fight. What a fight, guys. Come on. Oh. Bad boy out. Jamaican shore fishing here, guys. In a lick here, Chara. In a lick. When you bow over, you know. Shara, you'll know when they hit. Yo, goes to show you how strong I tie my rigs, right? Come on, working.
Checking.
Good to go, bro. We good to go.
We'll check the range. See how far we get.
And check when you go up on the highway too.
Push the front. You guys can hear me clearly?
Clear like yo. Anthony, you still copy?
Yeah, man. We're trying to get block up around with the bar and thing right there, so but we're good. Yeah, hear me clearly? You know, we'll pass the bar there and thing.
Yeah, they look like they probably have a party out there. See your slippers there, babes.
I'm not on the same frequency with him, you know, and I'm only hearing him through yours.
Oh yeah? You change the channel then. You have to put it back on 16. Anthony, still copy? I know you notice no mosquito now to bite with.
Yeah.
Because of the driftwood. We keep on putting that driftwood in there because the salt water is mixed with it, so it let off this thing. I learned this when I went camping. So light it, it come nowhere near your campsite.
Still not hearing.
Do what happened to you?
I still only hear me.
That's because mine louder than yours probably. Right now I lose one rig off of this, so I'm pulling in a jack there, you know?
Yeah.
Me lose it. Yo, me feel like say rod it up broke.
Yo, that huge.
Right now the whole of this are burn up, you know. The whole of my arm are burn up right now, you know. You know, understand the feeling of my arm like some just went to the gym, you know. Yo, you hold one of them the on the rod there, you have problems, you know. Yeah. Trouble dead, you know. You have to go walk, you know. Cause me can't go help you, you know.
I need a big rod.
Yeah?
I have to go get a big
Cause look how the stingray come in on this and I'm gonna fight me on this look while. I stop him right there, so I'm saying hook on from the bottom and I move. Grab that, walkie talkie. Fish on.
Where's that?
Fish on. Fish on, guys. Fish on, guys. Jamaican shore fishing. Fish on, guys. My girl. Jamaican shore fishing, guys. This is what's up. Little night action, guys. That's what's up. Come on, guy. Shara, he's hitting your line. No, he's bumping. He ran. I gotta go over these lines. I gotta go over. He's going sideways. Oh shit! Making shore fishing, guys. You're making sure fishing, guys.
Oh my God.
I got it. I got it.
Oh, I'm tied up.
He's tied up in your line. Your line.
Oh,
Your line.
my line is...
He ran into your line. Holy shit. Yo, watch Anthony's rod. Make sure none of them's running off, yo. Larry, get me some light. Alright, guys. Alright, buddy. Hold on. Let me make sure you ain't down. Right, yeah. Ah, calm down. You're dead. Light, Larry.
Man?
I can't see. I'm trying to get, I got the hook out of him, but your line is a problem. I need light to get it out, because if not, we're tangled up very bad. Tangled up in Shara's line real bad. So I got to get this thing pulled out. So I need proper lighting, guys. This is serious tanglement. And this is nylon, so you have to be, don't knock my face, please. I need help. Shara, I need help. I need somebody to hold this up here. I got to do this carefully and cautiously. If not, your line is ruined. You understand? That's why I'm so edgy about the tangling, because when nylon is so expensive, you don't want to tangle it. And you don't want to lose your line. That's for sure. Oh my God. This fish did a job on me with this one. And I don't want to pull on it, because if you pull on it, it tightens up. Ah, there you go. Oi! That's the water that's doing that. Oh, calm down, fella. You're dead. You're dead off! Yo, you costing me water time, fish. That's not good. Tide is coming in, guys. Light, guys. Give me light on this. Alright, let me get my line out of this first. That's number one. Alright, let me get this out. Pull this, Shara. Pull this up, pull this up, pull this line up, pull this clear. Careful, watch your hook. Hook. Alright, go on up. Alright, good. We have that out of there? Alright, good. Once we have that out of there, this should clear up. Yeah, bingo. You see how that twisted on there? You see what jackfish do, man? Alright. Let's get back out there, guys. Shara, have you checked your line? Your bait.
My line fully in.
Alright, fully in your line completely. Wind your line up. Let's get your line untangled. Alright? Alright, lights over here, Larry. Lights over here, Larry. I gotta watch Shara's line so it's not tangled. Wind up your line, Shara. Yo, this episode's gonna be crazy. You know that, right?
Alright, so the hook's coming closer.
Good. Bring him in. Alright, bait back up, Shara. Take him up. Shara, you have on your headlight? Yeah. Alright, good. Alright, Jamaican shore fishing here, guys. Larry! Turn on the camp lights. The other ones, you know the one that you lift up, the black one? Put it outside on top of the container and open it. I hung up one of them out here so we can have light in the camp. Another one bites the dust, guys. Yep. Yeah. Damn it, boy.
Where should I put it?
Huh?
Where should I put it? That good?
Yeah. Making the place light up in here, so you understand?